Hi! In front of me is POCO X5 and today I would like to show you how you can change font style on this device. First of all, go into Settings. Now scroll down just a bit and tap on Display section. In it, you need to scroll down again and tap on Font. Finally, tap on the best one for you. I will go with Good Memories. And choose Free next to it. After a couple of seconds, you can tap on Apply and wait. Now when I click on Home button, as you can see, style of my font has changed. If you wish to go back to your default one, go into the same font settings. Tap on My Fonts at the top, select Roboto and tap on Apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!